Hey there, Leo. This is your video as to what will be the outcome between you and your ex this week. At least you have an idea. And just in case, if this is your first time on my channel, please click on the subscription box under below, the all notification bell, and follow me on Instagram at SophieRealClairvoyant. However, if you have not subscribed yet, I'll wait, guys. Okay, I'll patiently wait. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And thank you so much for subscribing, you guys. It means the world to me. At least I know I must have done something right. Okay. I just want you to know, guys, that I'm here to guide you. Hopefully, be able to guide you, enlighten you, and give you some sense of clarity. The very reason why I'm doing this X playlists series, it's because I've been there. I was heartbroken because of an ex who left me for someone else. It took me 3 years to grieve. And I was like binge watching a lot of videos, Leo, to the point that I got confused at the end of the day. And I just want to be that person whom I wish I could have met before, so that I'll be guided accordingly. I could have saved myself 3 years. And again, it takes one to know one. And this is the reason why this X playlists series is so close to my heart, because I am on this journey also. It's like a work in progress, and I want to help you. Okay, I hope I'm able to help you as well. Okay, so let's get started. This is the outcome for the entire week, Leo. Okay, I got a feeling it seems like both of you are stalking each other. I don't know, maybe, yeah. It seems like you're stalking each other, or you want to know, or planning to stalk. It seems like both of you are stalking each other for the past few weeks, few days. And also I can sense, like, granting you some of you are deactivating your social media. You want to stalk. You are tempted to stalk. Yeah, that's what I'm sensing. But this week, both of you finally decided not to stalk each other, because both of you are so sick and tired of stalking. And it doesn't lead to where you want to be, Leo. Like, what's the point of stalking, right? You even ask yourself, what's the point of stalking? Does it lead me and my ex to get back together? No. Does it lead to me and my ex having closure? No. No wonder both of you decided to stop stalking each other, because it's not healthy anymore. It's even making things a lot worse. You feel worse, you feel sick, you even have more headaches. Okay, you cannot even sleep. A lot of insomnia. Every day you're experiencing insomnia, guys. I know. I was there. Yeah, it's like how many hours I will stalk, then connect the dots, look at the likes, look at the post, scrutinize the post. Who is the new person? Who is this person? You know, who my ex is flirting. Yeah, been there. Flirting. Yeah. Sorry, guys, my nose is itchy. Okay, next outcome. It seems like both of you are going to swallow your pride. Wow, Leo, swallowing your pride? Both of you are going to be humble. There will be an energy of humility. Both of you are going to throw away the pride, because both of you simply realize, like, having this ego, pride, and being narcissistic, it's not making me happy at all. Why would I put a lot of pride in front of me? Like, put a lot of wall in front of me, when one thing's for sure, my heart is still beating for my ex. And it seems like both of you are experiencing that, Leo. Yeah, both of you are experiencing this. You cannot deny this, Leo. Totally, you cannot. Next on the list, it seems like both of you are gonna gain some sense of clarity. Both of you are gonna gain some sense of clarity, knowing that both of you own each other's hearts. Yeah. So basically, there's a realization this week that both of you are going to realize that you are each other's true love. Wow, this is your love story, like true love. There's a lot of realization here and clarity, which is a good thing, because I got a feeling both of you are being on a blurry situation. Blurred Lines by Robin Thicke. Yeah, blurred lines, blurry situation. And this time around, it's so clear, crystal clear, that is. Another outcome, you guys, it seems like you're gonna be emotionally attached towards each other. There's like an emotional attachment, guys. Please be prepared for that. I don't know if this is something that you wanted. Granting you want this ex, then good. Emotional attachment is there. I do not sense any hurting. But there's really like the energy of familiarity, emotional attachment, which is we cannot do without it, because remember, this is an ex. We've been with that person for how many months, how many years, right? We grew up with them. We grow up with them. We grew without them, but more or less they became part of our lives already. And it will not be like it's difficult to say that we will not be attached towards them emotionally. No. Even me, I'm still emotionally attached to my ex, even though at this particular situation. Next, outcome, Leo. I can sense both of you are really wanting to get back together. I heard the word reconciliation. Again, reconciliation, guys. This week, there's a huge possibility, Leo, that you're gonna reconcile. But, granting you're not in communication with your ex, because not all of you are in communication, this will happen in your dreams. If you're gonna dream that you guys are gonna get back together, or you've been dreaming about it, it means that it's gonna manifest slowly in the physical world. As to when, that's the big question mark, Leo. As to when it's gonna happen, that's the big question mark. But in the spirit world, it's already happening, meaning you're getting closer. Whatever you're doing, continue doing it, because it's really leading you to this. Granting this ex of yours is someone whom you really wanted to be with, guys. Okay? Next, it seems like, Leo, both of you are planning to follow through on what you guys have been planning all along before the breakup, before the messy breakup. Again, both of you came to a conclusion to follow through on what you both have been planning all along. It's like, for example, before you broke up, you plan to proceed with this, to proceed with studying, to proceed with a business. You're gonna follow through it without the other person. It's like you're gonna build it without the help of the other person, because you guys are not together anyways. Or granting, if you're in connection with, there's a huge possibility you're gonna discuss this together and probably work things out and in implementing it. Yeah. So yeah, this is the ex outcome. By the way, guys, if you wanna know what will be the next moves of your ex, check out on the playlist down there below, the ex next moves. The link is down there below, so that you'll be aware what will be the moves of your ex. Okay. However, this is just a general reading, you guys. If you wanna know more and be very detailed about it, you want to know what will be the next moves, the outcome, and also any other persons coming in your way, you can book a reading with me. It takes one to know one. And I know, yeah, you just book a reading for detailed love reading about my ex, and that's it. You do not need to ask questions. I will dissect. I will get the questions out of your mind and out of your heart, because I know what questions you really wanted to ask. Okay? Yeah, because I can feel you. Yes, Leo, I can feel the pain already. I can feel the longingness. I can feel the missing you. Leo, yeah. My advice for you, Leo, with regard to this situation, whatever you've been doing, continue doing it, because it's leading you to reconciliation. Yeah, I do not sense any struggle in here. You guys are fighting or something. No. It even led to clarity and following through on what you have been previously planning, which is a good thing. Again, whatever you have been doing, Leo, I do suggest continue doing it, because it's leading you to reconciliation, clarity, and emotional attachment. Push through. You're gonna push through with what you guys are planning out. That's a good thing, isn't it? Yeah, I do like it. And by the way, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, and just in case you like this video, please click on the subscription box down there below, and please follow me on Instagram, you guys, at Sopheril Clairvoyant. Okay? And yeah, I just want to say to you, Leo, thank you so much for watching, and it has been my privilege and pleasure to be of service towards you, and sending you energies of love, 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 and abundance, abundance, abundance. Okay? And yeah, thank you so much, and see you next video.